it's a pleasure to me to stay with Mr. Matias Bonapanta. He is in B2 level and this is his interview. Mr. Matias, introduce yourself, please.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Matias Bonapanta. I am 16 years old. I am a B2 level student and today I am going to present you my interview. My topic is the Second World War. First, I'm going to explain you a little bit in what consists this conflict. First, I'm going to say that this is one of the worst things that the humanity done, because we create one weapon that could destroy the world if we don't use it correctly. Then we have produced the diet of 11 million persons, and finally we had waste our money in something that was necessary. Okay, here I'm going to explain you why this conflict happened. This conflict happened because Adolf Hitler was rejected of the beautiful arts high school, so he joined to the army, and then he fought in the First World War. And when he noticed that Germany lost with the UK, the United Kingdom, he created his own movement called Nazi. But he was in jail because that was something that the leader of the time didn't like. Countries involved. There are 5 countries involved in this country. The first is Germany. Then we have the USA, the United Kingdom, Japan, and the US. Those countries were involved in the war, but the most important are Germany and the USA, because they were the countries more stronger in that time. Influential figures. Here I'm going to explain you the most important persons in those times. The first is Joseph Stalin. He was the dictator of the URSS, and he was for a time one of the friends of Adolf. But when Adolf decided to attack him, Joseph started war with Adolf. Then we have Adolf Hitler. He was the dictator of Germany, and he was the man who started the war with the other countries. And finally we have Benito Mussolini. He was the dictator of Italy, and he was one of the biggest friends of Adolf because he helped him to escape from the jail. Curious facts. Here I'm going to explain you facts that not all the people know. The first is that Adolf was a person that really liked fight for the environment, because he thought that we must take care of the animals and the nature. So when he was a dictator, he created a lot of movements to fight for the planet. Then we have the expeditions of Adolf. Adolf created many expeditions to search all reliquies, and also find a way to win the war. And in one of that expeditions in the Antarctic, one of his soldiers said that when they were searching for the Holy Grail, and they seen how a group of UFOs and trespassed the sky. And finally, we have that Adolf was searching the Holy Grail, that because he thinks that it's something that can help a person to rule the world, and he wants the power. The consequences of the war are many, but here I'm going to say the principles. First, we have the invention of the nuclear bomb that was created by Oppenheimer. Then we have 11 million deaths that were produced by the enemy army and also by the army of Hitler. But the most affected were the soldiers that died in this war. And finally, we have the waste of money. Many countries such as France, Germany, the US, and the United Kingdom lost a lot of money because they waste it in find a way to stop the war. Finally, I'm going to say you my reflection. For me, it's very important that the people know what this conflict produces, because I think that it is something important that all of we in one moment of our lives had heard, but we don't know the context. And for me, it's important try to find another solution for a problem, because a war is something that only makes pain into the people. So I invite you to think about this, because it's something that was in the human history and is one of the most important events that we have ever seen. Finally, I am glad with you ALC to give me the chance to show you my presentation.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Matias. Now, I have some questions to you. Okay, please tell me, why did you decide to choose this topic?
I decided to choose this topic because I think that it's something important, because we don't know how the people of that times survive, and also the consequences of this war, and we only think in the nowadays, and we don't stop thinking about the past and also the persons that died in this war.
Okay, thank you. Now, would you recommend to investigate more about this topic?
Yes, I recommend you search more about this topic, because it's something very interesting that you can understand very easy if you pay attention, and also you can establish a conversation with people to try to be more interesting, and also you can learn more about this world.
Okay, what do you think? What were the advantages about the World War II?
The advantage of this war could be the technological advances that we have in our days, because this war produced that all the governments of that time start creating new technologies to fight with the enemy, and thanks to that, now we have our cell phones or laptops.
Okay, thank you. Now, why did World War II end?
This war ends because Adolf shoot himself in the head, so he died, and the other armies just finished the war, because Germany was lost without his leader.
Okay, thank you. Now, how long did World War II last?
This war years
Mhm.
because this war started in 1938 and finished on April 1945.
Okay, thank you. Now, for you, in that time, right, what was the most important technological result in the World War II?
The most important technological result is the first computer, which name is Enigma. This computer was created by the team of adults to send message in codec from his friends.
Okay, thank you. Now, would you like to visit some countries involved with it?
Yes, I would like to visit Germany because I think that is something very interesting to see face to face, and also see how this war affect the persons of the country.
Okay, thank you. Now, what will happen if Adolf Hitler didn't kill by himself?
If Adolf didn't finish with his life, and maybe he will he will die in jail because the enemy army was on his house and they will trap him to put him in a jail.
Okay, thank you. Now, if you had the opportunity to ask just one question to Adolf Hitler, what would you ask him?
If I had the opportunity to talk with Hitler, I think that I will ask him why did he killed the all that innocent people like children and women, why he didn't stop when all the persons say that the things that he did were bad.
Okay, thank you. Now, if you had the chance to ask a question to a survivor, what will you ask it?
If I have the opportunity to ask a question, maybe it could be how did you survive to to this war, and if you were scared when you were separated from your family.
Okay, thank you. Now, what will happen if Adolf Hitler won the World War II?
If Adolf Hitler had won the war, maybe he will be someone important in our days because he left a new country on Europe like German Empire.
Okay, thank you. Now, please remind me what was Benito Mussolini's role in the World War II?
Well, Benito Mussolini was the dictator of Italy and he helped Adolf to escape to the jail because Adolf was put on jail because he tried to do a crisis in his country and he helped him when he was trapped.
Okay, thank you. Now, will a new war start in the future?
A new war could start in the future if we don't know how to solve our problems in a good way because now we have weapons that can destroy the war and can make a lot of pain in other persons, not the people. But if we solve our difference with talking, I think that is something that good will happen.
Okay, thank you. Now, what do you think? Will human beings be able to create a new bomb more powerful than nuclear bomb in the future?
Well, the humanity can create a new bomb stronger than the previous one, but it's something that we must think very well, because if the previous one was very destructive, this can eradicate us of the planet, and I think that maybe something that requires the permission of all the humanity.
Okay, thank you. Now, if we were in a new world, what country will be the winner?
If a new war start now, I think the country that could win the war maybe will be the USA, because that country is one of the most powerful in the planet, and also they are who have more weapons and have more money.
Okay, thank you. And if you ruled the world, what would you do?
Maybe if I were the ruler of the world, I would like to delete all the weapons, and also I try to eliminate the money to create a new society that all the persons have the same quality of life.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Matias. Please say goodbye.
Say goodbye to the